Stop asking AI random questions. Start giving AI jobs. That is one of the biggest shifts happening in AI right now. A new research paper about OpenAI Codex found that agentic AI usage grew more than fivefold in the first half of 2026. And here's the important part. Codex is not only being used by developers anymore. More people inside organizations are starting to use agentic tools for real work. So in this video, I'll explain the shift from chatbots to AI agents, why it matters, and the simple method you can use to turn AI into a real work assistant. And stay until the end because I'll give you the exact job prompt formula I would use before giving any task to an AI agent. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more with AI. Let's start with the difference. A chatbot answers a question. An agent works toward a task. If you ask a chatbot, how do I prepare for a client meeting? It gives you advice. But if you give an agent the job, it can summarize notes, find open questions, create an agenda, draft a follow up email, and prepare next steps. That is the shift from answers to action. Use case number one, messy notes. Most people have notes everywhere: meeting notes, voice notes, random ideas, client messages. Instead of asking AI, can you summarize this? Give it a job. Turn these notes into a task list. Group related items, identify priorities, mark anything that needs a deadline, and tell me the first three actions. That is more useful because AI is not just explaining, it is organizing work. Use case number two, research. Do not ask, what are the best AI tools? That gives a generic answer. Instead, ask, research 5 AI tools for beginner creators. Compare pricing, ease of use, best use case, limitations, and which one I should test first. Now AI has a job. It needs to compare, evaluate, and recommend. This works for products, software, courses, business ideas, and buying decisions. Use case number three, follow ups. This is one of the easiest ways to save time. After a meeting or call, paste the notes and ask. Create a follow up email with decisions, action items, owners, deadlines, and open questions. If anything is unclear, mark it as needs confirmation. That last sentence matters. Do not let AI guess. A good agent should know when information is missing. Use case 4, content workflows. If you are a creator, stop asking, give me content ideas. Instead, ask, create 5 video ideas for my audience. For each one, include a hook, viewer benefit, title, thumbnail text, and why people would keep watching. That gives you a usable content package, not just ideas. And this is exactly how we use AI for AI Alpha. The goal is not more output, the goal is better workflows. Use case number 5, small business tasks. AI agents can help with repeated business work. For example, turn FAQs into customer replies, create weekly reports, draft project updates, research leads, prepare proposals, summarize customer complaints. But here is the catch: the more action you let AI take, the more you need boundaries. Do not give an agent full access to email, files, payments, customer data, or private accounts on day one. Start with safe jobs: research, summaries, drafts, reports, task lists. Then review everything before action. The safe rule is AI prepares, you approve. Now, here's the job prompt formula I promised. Use this. Your job is to, and then you put in the specific task. Use this context then you give it the background information, the goal is, and then you put in the result you want. Output format, and then you put in the format, rules, what to do and what to avoid. If something is unclear, do not guess. Mark it as needs confirmation. That formula works because it turns AI from a chat partner into an AI worker with clear assignments. For example, your job is to turn these meeting notes into an action plan. Use this context. This was a client call about a website project. The goal is make sure nothing gets missed. Output format. Table with task, owner, deadline, priority, and next step. Rules. Keep it short. Do not invent deadlines and mark unclear items as needs confirmation. That is much better than summarize this meeting. The big idea is simple. The future of AI is not just smarter chat, it is task based work. Codex is showing that shift clearly. People are moving from asking AI questions to giving AI jobs. And if you want practical AI workflows like this step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and real business use cases. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with the first job you would give AI. See you in the next one.